Fine, this is 16th problem. Let us check out this. The decimal notation of 10 kg, 2 decagram and 6 gram is, right. So here, so 1, that is DAG, is equal to 1 by 100 kg. This is very important thing, right. And as well as 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg, right. Now simply substitute, you are going to get this, that is 10 kg plus 2 into 1 by 100 plus 6 into 1 by 1000. You are going to get the answer, that is 10 plus 2 by 100, 2 by 100, 2 by 100 in the sense that is 0.02 plus 0.006. Now what you got, that is 10 plus 0.02 plus 0.006. Now add it, that is 6, right, then 2, correct, then 0, then 10, that is 10.026 kg. This is the decimal notation of that is 10.026 kg. So this is the option here is C. The answer is C.